Hello, hello everyone. In yesterday's class, we have seen how to create company, how to create company code, and how to assign company code to company, and how to define business area. And from today, we will see fiscal year variant. So let us talk about variant. So what is variant? So see the notes. Variant means it is an object for which some values are defined. It is an object for which some values are defined. When this object is assigned to another object, then the values are applicable to the other object. This is called variant principle. The variant principle is widely used in SAP. So the variant is an object for which we define some values, and this variant is assigned to some another object, then the values we defined to such variant will be applicable to that object also. We will see an example. For an example, we have created company Reliance. We have defined an variant. Sorry, we have defined a variant called ABC, and we defined some values. For an example, 5% interest. So 5% interest is defined to ABC variant, and we assign ABC variant to Reliance. So the 5% interest rate is automatically applicable to Reliance. So this is the functionality of variant. So ABC is a variant. We define values 5%, and we assign this variant to an object that is called Reliance company code. So this 5% interest is applicable to Reliance company code. So that is the functionality of variant. I hope it is clear. So our topic is fiscal year. So what is fiscal year? Fiscal year is an accounting year. Accounting year is a period of 12 months for which the organizations generally prepare the financial statements. Sorry for some sound disturbances. I have to mute this video for a second. Okay, so our topic is fiscal year. So fiscal year is an accounting year. Accounting year is a period of 12 months for which the organization generally prepare the financial statements. So it is a period of 12 months for which the organization prepare the financial statement. The accounting year may be the calendar year or non-calendar year. So calendar year is from 1st of January to 31st December, and non-calendar year can be anything. For an example, from 1st of April to 31st March, from October to September, anything can be non-calendar year. In SAP, the fiscal year is represented with the calendar year in which more number of months are falling. What is the meaning of this line? So we will see it here. For an example, we have fiscal year from 1st January to 31st December. Our year is 2022. So our fiscal year is 2022 because maximum number of months are falling in this year 2022. Then our next example is our fiscal year is 1st April 2022 to 31st March 2023. So what is our fiscal year? In general terms, we say fiscal year 2022-2023. But in SAP, we can't do this. We have to define either 2022 or 2023. So maximum number of months are falling in 2022. So our fiscal year is 2022. Okay. Again, one more example. Let's suppose our fiscal year is starting from 1st of October 2022 and ends at 31st sorry 30 September 2023. Okay, so maximum number of months are falling in the year 2023. So our fiscal year is 2023 in this case. So I hope it is clear for everybody. So fiscal year is that year in which maximum number of months are falling. I hope it is clear. This line is clear. Next, the present fiscal year is 2022 and 2023. This is called the year 2022-2023 in generally. In general sense, we say 2022-2023, but in SAP, the fiscal year is called 2022. I hope it is clear. So, this is the concept of fiscal year in SAP. Now, we will see how to define fiscal year variant. Okay. So what is fiscal year variant? As we know what is variant, we assign some values to a variant and we assign that variant to an object that is called variant. Same, we have company code Reliance. We will create fiscal year variant and we will assign April to March fiscal year. So this is called our fiscal year variant. We will create this fiscal year variant and we will assign these April to March values to this fiscal year variant and we assign this fiscal year variant to Reliance. So this will be our procedure for defining fiscal year variant. I hope it is clear up till now. So we will go to SAP and we will see how to create fiscal year, how to define values and how to assign this fiscal year to company code. So we are going to define fiscal year variant. So the path is SPRO, IMG, Financial Accounting Global Setting, FAGS, then fiscal year, maintain fiscal year, variant. Transaction code is OB29. So we are going to SAP logon. So this is our logon screen. So our transaction code is OB29. Yeah, these are the fiscal year variants already defined by some users. There are some SAP standards also here. For an example, V3 is SAP standard, April to March, already defined in the system. C4 is already defined in the system, is calendar year defined by the SAP. So V3, K3, K4, these are the variants which are already defined in the system, but we are going to create our own variant. So click on this new entry field for creating our variant. Example, we will give RL description fiscal year variant for Reliance. Number of posting periods, there are 12 number of posting periods, so we will give number 12, April to March, and we will give number of special posting period. Special posting periods are generally used for making adjustment or closing entries. So for that purpose we will use special period. We have to open special period to do work in that special period. SAP FICO consultant will open that posting period. In general, each month posting periods are open and closed, but in our practice session we will open posting period for all the 12 months. Okay, I hope it is clear. So our fiscal year variant is R1 and number of posting period 12 and special posting period are 4. So click on save. So this is our fiscal year variant we have created. Now we are going to assign some values to that fiscal year variant. So click on period. Select this line by clicking this and click on periods. So there are three columns: month, day, period, shift, 4 column. So click on new entries. Yeah, month first. So we are going to start from April. Okay, so month is 4th, April month is 4th, January, February, March, April. How many days April have? I hope 31, 28, 30, 30 days. Which period is April? Our accounting period fiscal year is starting from April, so our period April will be first. Year shift 0, because this column I will explain it later. Okay, from now, fifth period is May, number of days 31, second period, year shift 0. June 6th, number of days 30, period number 3, year shift 0. 7 July 31, 4th 0. 8 August 31, 5 0. 9 November 9 month September 30, 6th 0. October 31, 7th posting period 0. November is 30 days, 8 posting period 0. December 31, 9th 0. Yeah, and our month January is month number 1. Even it is for next year, so we will consider it number 1 month because January is number 1. Number of days 11, period 10th, and year shift here -1. -1 why? Because this is of next year. Okay, February 28, 11 -1. 3 March 31, 12 -1. I hope it is clear. Click on save. Data was saved. Now click on period text. Click on new entries. Click on English. Period 1. What is period 1? Period 1 is our April. Give short form abbreviation. Type April. English language. Period number 2. April, May, 3rd June, 4th July, 5th August, 6th September, 7th October. We have defined these things in previous steps, which period is. In this step we are just giving this text. Okay, 8th November, 9th December, 10th January, 11th February, 12th March. So our 12 normal posting period is defined. We have defined 12 normal posting period. Now we will define for special period. 13 SP1 represent special period number 1. 14th special period number 2. 15th special period number 3. 16th special period number 4. So we can define maximum 16 posting period in SAP. Just click on save. Sorry for sound disturbance. So we have defined our fiscal year variant and we have assigned values to it. Now we are going to assign fiscal year variant to company code. Just click on back arrows. Type SPRO IMG financial accounting global settings ledger fiscal year and posting period, assign company code to fiscal year variant. Our company was Birla 1. Okay, click on position, search company. Actually, wait a second. Our company code is BIR0. Birla Cement is our company code. Fiscal year variant we have created RL. So just click RL. Click on save. This is showing error. No posting are possible without fiscal year variant because some people have not assigned fiscal year variant to their respective company codes. That is why it is showing an error. Now it is saving. Okay, click on continue. Okay, so Birla Cement has fiscal year variant RL and we have defined fiscal year variant. This is description, fiscal year variant for RL. Actually, I got confused because I have another company called Reliance. So for that purpose I have created REL. Otherwise I would create BR या BL something. So no need to worry. Our fiscal year variant is RL and our company code is BIR0. Okay. So we have seen today how to define fiscal year variant and how to assign fiscal year variant to company code and how to assign values to fiscal year variant. We have seen these three things, and what is variant we also have seen this. So today's class is over, and tomorrow we will see field status variant and posting period variant. So thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you so much.